Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi allazina istafa amma ba'd. Fauzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. My honorable elder and younger, my dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is our topic, Islam, the religion of human nature. In this regard, part 1 will be described now. The messenger of Islam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, every child is born in a natural disposition, but his parents make him a Jew, a Christian, or a Magian. That is to say, Allah creates the child directed in his nature to Allah, his creator, and his God. On account of parents and his obedience to them, and the long time he passes with them, he imitates their course and behavior. Their conduct reflects in his life. He starts to deviate from his natural disposition and to imitate his parents. He obeys them blindly. At this early time of a childhood, there is no place for reason to recognize the right and good course. When this child grows up and attains puberty, he becomes able to think of what is good for him and what brings him happiness and success. So, this is the only reason why Islam has called itself a natural religion, which is free from all those impurities. So, O Prophet, set your face steadily and truly to the faith, establish Allah's nature, on which He has framed mankind. There is no change in what Allah has created. That is the standard religion, but most among mankind do not understand. The function of the eye is to see. Until there is some disturbance in it, the ear hears the sound till it becomes deaf. The function of nature is to follow the right path and to rush towards it with such a alacrity as water rushes down from a height, unless it is overcome by corruption and wickedness, which may take its reins in hands and turn it away from the path of righteousness and blessing. My dear brother and sister, and this regard part 2 will be described another day. Almighty Allah may all of us guidance to run the right path. Wakhu dawana and alhamdulillah rabbil alameen.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। तालीम दीन कोर्स बाद ज़निबा मग़रिब हर उम्र के अफराद के लिए इस मौके से फ़ायदा उठाएँ, ख़ुसूसन तलबा के लिए जो कॉलेज के तलबा हैं या मैट्रिक के तलबा हैं। इसमें आपका अपना फ़ायदा है। एड्रेस दिया गया है, उसको पढ़ लें और ज्वाइन करें। 3 किताब जो मुफ्त दिए जाएंगे, बिल्कुल मुफ्त कोर्स अपनी आखिरत बनाने के लिए। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please subscribe my channel and like for more videos. Assalamu alaikum.